I'm a manufacturing engineer here.
I'm the inventory coordinator.
I'm a welding group leader.
And I build booms.
Everybody's super down to earth, super easy to talk to.
The people are friendly. Everyone's pretty outgoing. They're very helpful whenever you need it.
It's just that you can see the care about everybody, from everyone, and that we actually care about each other throughout the whole process.
I've enjoyed working here. I really love our new building.
It's climate control. That's a plus for me.
I don't have to worry about breathing in the smoke and all that. I never felt it's too hot or too cold. For me, it's just perfect.
We have all the tools that we need. I'm not searching for anything that I need to get my job done.
I grew up in Greenville. I've been here since I was 3. It's a growing city. You've got a lot of room for growth, just like we do here.
You're close to the mountains. I love to go to the beach. We've got a great downtown. Anybody can find something to do there.
South Carolina is a really growing place. I have 2 daughters. They have really good schools here.
I always get a kick out of seeing our big equipment on the side of the road. I go, I may have handled that. More than likely, I did.
When I see stuff I've built on the side of the road, I feel pride in it because I know I worked on it. My kids look at me and be like, yeah, okay, whatever, but yeah, that's me.